All right, kicking off birthdays this morning, we want to wish a happy 4th to Logan Whitworth. Birthday was on Saturday, but nonetheless, happy birthday, Logan.
We wish a happy 39th anniversary to Mike and Janet Saiganero. Their anniversary was on Saturday, and they are Logan's grandparents.
Happy anniversary to those two. We're going to continue on now to Joplin. Jacob Tatum turning 14. And of course, this is from love from the family. So happy birthday, Jacob.
We are wishing a happy birthday to Skylar Carnley. Skylar is turning 17 and is an Erie, Kansas native.
All right, we are continuing on to Logan Brewster turning 21. I bet he had a good trip there, I think venturing overseas there. But happy 21st to you, Logan.
We are wishing a very happy birthday to Ben Hutto. Ben is turning 32 years old and is a Columbus native.
We'll head north up the road a little way to Weir, Kansas. Happy 37th to Miss Amanda York. Happy birthday to you.
We are wishing a happy birthday to Adam Bayou. Adam is turning 42. He is a Fort Scott native and his birthday was on Saturday.
Still, happy birthday to you, Adam. We're going to continue on out of Chanute with love from Mom. It's a happy 51st to Greg Locke. If you see Greg out in Chanute, everyone, be sure to give him a shout out. Happy birthday, Greg.
We are wishing a happy birthday to Patricia Wallace. Patricia is turning 70 years young and is a Fort Scott native as well.
All right, our next anniversary on the list is happy 22nd to Archie and Patricia Wallace. They're 22nd this go around, and now the Fort Scott as well. Happy anniversary to you two.
We are wishing a happy birthday to Marlene Cox. Marlene is a Lamar native and she is turning 79 years young.
More anniversaries. We have Brent and LaDonna Boyd, 27 years of wedded bliss together. Happy anniversary to you two.
We have another anniversary, Bob and Debbie Good. They are Parsons, Kansas. This is the golden anniversary for them. They have reached the half-century mark.
All right, and on to Erie, Kansas, to Jim and Lois Carlson. Their anniversary was on Saturday, but nonetheless, let's wish them a happy 56 still. It might be better late than never, but still, happy anniversary to you two.
We've got just a few more birthdays. Linda Jeffries of Columbus, Kansas. We wish you a very happy birthday. We have a birthday for Jim Houston, who is a Bartlett, Kansas native. Tommy Bottorff, who is turning 75 years young, from Crestline. And Indigo Nelson, that's an awesome name, is a Columbus native. Happy birthday, Indigo. Nancy Church of Miami, Oklahoma, is turning 68. We have another anniversary, Ed and Trina Punudo, and their 33rd anniversary. We have another birthday, Wally Ball of Carterville. Dean Faya, who is turning 70 years young, from Nevada. Happy birthday from Anthony, Don, and the kids. And just a couple more anniversaries. Jared and Michelle Dietz. They have reached their 19th year wedding anniversary, and they are also Pittsburgh natives. And last but not least, we have Mike and Jody Bryant. They have reached the Steph Curry year of anniversaries, their 30th anniversary, and they are residents of Arma.
And that is it for birthdays and anniversaries this morning. If you want to have us give you a birthday anniversary shout out, easy to do. Just send it our way to birthdays@komtv.com or birthdays@komnewsnow.com. That's not the only thing you can do online. You can be a part of the KOM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. Not only can you also ensure that you get happy birthday wishes from us, you also get some special deals from local businesses. So head over anytime to komnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOM Birthday